Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Realme 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Then in the top search, find an app called Microsoft Edge. And here we can install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Now we can read through this introduction if you like, but I'm gonna skip it. Here we can customize the homepage with own wallpaper, most visited sites, and a news feed. Then we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And here, accept or disagree with the data sharing preference, click on confirm, and now the browser is ready. We can open basically any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.